everyone, welcome back to JavaScript YouTube channel. In this video, we will be creating a to-do list using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more awesome videos, and get the source code, link will be in the description in my GitHub. Hit well, enter, and it either our message or to do, as well as a message saying item added, and you can delete it and it says item deleted. So this is what we're going to create, and let's get started. Guys, I'm going to have the first set of keys and link CSS script going to be app.js. We're going to have div.container, enter, card. Inside that, we're going to have a form. Form is going to be, guys, label. Okay. And we're going to have input text, input text, put input text with the to do. Yeah, this is it for the HTML. Let's get started with the CSS. And to mention, guys, this is beginner level project using JavaScript, so it doesn't take much time. Styles, yes. Now we are going to margin. Sorry. Enter padding, border of font size of 100. And we're going to do body, font family of Arial, font size 16 pixels, line height 1.5, enter, and color of 33. Blue also okay, but this looks too light blue. This looks fine. Or let's do purple. This was the color I originally used, and we are going to enter. Next, we are going to have a div going to be display flex, as well as flex direction, column, align item center, justify content center, height 100, report, and we're going to have background color of white. Oh, let's do the background color as white is good. Now we are going to the container. So dot container, it's going to be display flex and flex direction column. Enter, align item center, justify content center, padding of 10 pixels, margin of 5.5, 3.5, area and border 3 pixels solid black, border radius of 10 pixels, background color is going to be Dodger blue. Enter. Okay guys, that's it for the CSS. Let's get started with the JavaScript. Before that, let's see how it looks. Okay, we have a form here. We enter something randomly, and if we enter, it goes. But when it happens further, it should come in a class or a container below this form input saying that item is added. Okay, so have coded that using HTML CSS, but we have to make that function that it should be appear when we enter a to do. For that, let's go to JavaScript. Let consist source node id1, and we are going to have consist equal document going to be dot query selector add event listener console.log consist clicked. That going to be consist click dash appear message. Yeah, and almost done with the JavaScript, but we need console dot log. It's going to be consist source node. We are going to have 3 source node. The first consist is going to be input. First source node is going to be message. Second is going to be item added. Second source node is going to be item mode or deleted, whatever you want to say. That means we have completed with the JavaScript. Let's see the final outcome of this video, and don't forget to get the source code. Link will be in the description in my GitHub, and like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more awesome videos. Okay guys, so preview, open it in browser. Yeah, we have enter to do, enter each where not wheel, where enter item added, and it will, when you close it, item deleted, and you can add more and add new ones. Go to shopping and enter the studies, going to food, plain put go. Yeah, then we have this all of these to do's, and we can remove one by one and decreases. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you in the next. Peace.